Hello student, good morning and welcome to everyone in my YouTube channel. Through in this video, I am going to start a new chapter of class 8 math, that is chapter number 15, volume and surface area. Okay, the name of the chapter is volume and surface area. So dear children, basically in this chapter we will learn to calculate volume and surface area of cube and cuboid, and also to calculate volume and surface area of the cylinder. Okay, so dear children, when we talk about the cube and cuboid, so cuboid cube and cuboid are three-dimensional figure. Okay, this is also called 3D because it has length, breadth and height. So cuboid means a solid bounded by a solid bounded by 6 rectangular faces. A solid bounded by 6 rectangular faces are called cuboid. Okay, the figure of the cuboid is this is the figure of cuboid bounded by 6 rectangular faces. The example of cuboid is, that is duster, matchbox, books and etc. This is in the shape of cuboid. Okay, we can see in my hand we have duster. Okay, so this is the shape of cuboid. Okay, this is face of the cuboid. Okay, 6 rectangular faces. Okay, this is also face, but in cuboid opposite faces are equal. In cuboid opposite faces are equal to each other. Okay, this faces is equal to the back side, this face, and this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. Okay, so a solid bounded by 6 rectangular faces are called cuboids, and a cuboid has six faces. Okay, and 12 edges and 6 vertices. Okay children, a cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 6 vertices. Okay, see over here, this is 6 faces and 12 edges. 12 edges means the line, this line is called edge. Okay, this is edge and this is called vertex. Total vertex not 6, 8 vertices. Okay, a cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. This is vertex. Okay, okay children, and now move to the next three-dimensional figure is cube. Okay, cube. cuboid whose length, breadth and height are same. Means a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are same, then it is called cube. And also can define it. Cube, a solid bounded by 6 square faces. Okay, a solid bounded by 6 square faces are called cube. Okay, the figure of the cube is the figure of cube bounded by 6 square faces. In cube they also have 6 faces. In cube all faces are equal to each other and same as 12 base and 8 vertices. Okay, so this is the figure of cube. Okay, the example of now we explain the volume and surface area of the cuboid. Okay, what is the volume and surface area of the cuboid? Okay, let a cuboid whose length is L and breadth is B okay, this is a cuboid having length L and breadth is B and height is H meter. Okay, then volume of the cuboid, the formula for volume of cuboid equal to volume of the cuboid equal to, we know what is the volume. The volume of solid space contained or occupied by inside it. Okay, the standard unit of volume is centimeter cube or meter cube. Okay, so therefore volume of cuboid equal to length into breadth into height. Okay, length into breadth into height. This is the formula to calculate the volume of the cuboid. Okay, and the cuboid contains 2 types of area. Okay, the first is called TSA, means total surface area, and second is called LSA, means lateral surface area, and this lateral surface area is also called area for wall. Okay, so let us see how we can determine total surface area, means TSA. TSA equal to total surface area. So dear children, as we explained recently, a cuboid is bounded by 6 rectangular faces and opposite faces are equal. So suppose this is a cuboid. So here length is L, then this also be L, and same in back side This is L, L. Okay. And this side is suppose B, and this is height. So this is height, and this is breadth and breadth on this side. Okay. And this edge is also breadth, and this also breadth. So this means area of front side as same as the area back side. Okay. So the area of front side is calculated by length into breadth. Okay. So this is 2 times into L into B. Okay. 2 times LB plus 2 times same as here. This is B and H. Okay. So 2 times B into H and here top and bottom. Top is this is a length and this is a breadth. Okay. This is a length and this is a breadth. And this side is length into height. Okay. This is not B. This is a height. L into H. And this is B into H, and top and bottom is length and breadth. So this is 2 times L into B. Now combining, taking 2 as a common after rearranging. So formula total surface area is LB plus BH plus HR. Okay. LB plus BH plus HR. LB plus BH plus HL. This is the okay. 2LB plus BH plus HL. And next is LSA. LSA means lateral surface area or area of core wall. This is also called area of core wall. Okay, children. So area of core wall equal to, the area of core wall means leaving top and bottom area of the cuboid. Top and bottom. Okay. So remaining area, this side is called area of core wall or lateral surface area. So area of core wall is calculated by, this is length into height. So same as the previous, length into height. So 2 into L H plus 2 into B H. So this implies area of core wall equal to L plus B into H. Okay. L plus B into H. And next, the longest side of the diagonal is length of the diagonal equal to length of the diagonal equal to square root L square plus D square plus H square. This is the length of the diagonal arc, longest length of cuboid. Okay. So this is volume of cuboid equal to length into breadth into height. Total surface area 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Lateral surface area of core wall equal to 2 in bracket L plus B into height, and length of the diagonal is L plus B plus H is B square plus H square. Okay. Okay, next to calculate volume and surface area of cube. Okay, volume and surface area of cube. So we know if length and breadth of a cuboid are equal, then the figure obtained, solid figure obtained is called cube. Okay. So suppose the side of cube means edge of cube is A. Let edge of cube equal to A. Then volume of cube equal to length into breadth into height, all are equal. A into A equal to A power 3 unit cube. Okay, volume of the cube. And similarly total surface area equal to, cube is bounded by 6 square faces, so the area which face is edge into edge or side to side is A square. So therefore total surface area of cube has 6 faces, so this is 6 A square. Okay, next lateral surface area, lateral surface area are, this is also called LSA. Okay, lateral surface area is what we call LSA, or area of 4 wall equal to, area of 4 wall means leaving top and bottom area. Okay, so remaining 4 faces are left, so this is 4A square, and longest length of cube, equal to A root 3. Okay, A root 3. This is longest length of the cube or diagonal of the cube, A root 3. Okay, I revise once again the formula of cube and cuboid. Okay, the volume of cuboid is L into B into H, and total surface area is 2LB plus BH plus HL, and area of 4 wall or lateral surface area both had the same formula, 2 inside the bracket L plus B into product of height and longest chord or longest diagonal, this is square root L square plus B square plus H square, and in cube the volume is A power 3 unit means is cube. Total surface area 6A square means 6A square. Lateral surface area of 4 wall equal to 4A square means 4A square, and longest length of the cube equal to A root 3. Okay, this is all formula related to the cube and cuboid. Okay, so children, in next video I will solve exercise 15.1. Okay.